In this video I'm going to show you how to set up a loyalty campaign. As usual, click on My SMS Campaigns and then navigate to Loyalty. In order to create a new campaign, click on Create New Loyalty Campaign. I've actually set one up already, so I'm going to show you how it works. So I'll click on Loyalty Demo and show you what I've done. First of all, you need to describe your campaign and the messages. So click on the plus button and then edit this information here. I've called it Loyalty Demo. As usual, you can enter some tracking information should you choose to do so. Winning number means the minimum number of loyalty keywords that must be texted in order to get the reward. The winner message is what the person receives on their phone once they've collected the number of loyalty points required. Here I'm actually using an expiration date, and I'll show you where to put that later on in this video. This message is to encourage the person to carry on with their loyalty campaign. The percent to go percent variable shows them how many points they still need to get in order to claim their reward. If they enter in the wrong keyword for this particular loyalty campaign, then they will receive this message on their phone. Likewise, if they enter the same keyword more than once, they'll receive this message. Once you've filled in these details, check Save and then move on to the next step. The next step is to choose one of your available numbers. I've already done this. Let me update it and show you the changes. Now I have the new number here and then I click Save. The remaining steps are optional, but they add some powerful features, so I'll go through those with you now. The first one is to set an expiration date. Since I use the percent date variable in this first step here, I am going to enable an expiration date, and that will be 3 days after the person first texts in their first message. So I'm going to click Save here. If you wish to have double opt-in subscribers, then you'll need to set this as active here. You can choose keyword, email or name. Here's an example with the name fields filled in. As I mentioned before, in the keyword campaigns, we recommend that you set this to block so that they only have 1 hour to reply in order to start the loyalty campaign. In this option, once the person has successfully managed to claim all their loyalty reward points, this will allow you to receive a notification. Click the plus sign to begin. So I'm going to check this as yes, and here you can see that I want to get an SMS message on my mobile phone, and these variables here, percent phone number percent and percent campaign percent, are unique to this campaign. Percent name percent will only work if you've required them to fill in their name as part of the double opt-in subscribing process. Otherwise, don't put that here. So click Save once you're done. Advanced campaign options include an autoresponder sequence. So I'll check yes to show you what I've done here. After 10 minutes, the person will receive another text message on their phone asking them if they wish to receive information about our current offers. If so, reply with the keyword offers to get started. So if I want to edit that here, I can do that by expanding that out and add in this extra word and select Save. The next step is to include the loyalty keywords. So check on the Loyalty Keywords tab to start. Here I've entered in a variety of keywords which must be texted in by the person in order to claim their reward. These keywords have an expiration date. In this particular example, for the first 5 keywords, the keyword that must be texted in only lasts for 2 days and then it expires. Later on, you can see that the keywords last for a whole week. You can choose to have these dates overlapping with one another, and you can specify how long they're going to last. By clicking on the QR code icon here, you can see a unique QR code that's generated for each one of these keywords. You can import the loyalty keywords by using a CSV file if you wish to do so. I'm just going to demonstrate here how to add one of the loyalty keywords manually by pressing the plus green button. Enter the date the keyword is valid for. I'm going to select today's date, and then the expiration date I'll also select as today. And then I'm choosing a keyword here, so I click Save. If the date or the keyword already exists, then you won't be allowed to do this. You can see here that I have a loyalty keyword that is actually running today, so you must select a unique start date for the keyword. If I select the 8th here instead and expire on the 8th, then it allows me to enter in the keyword. You can see that this keyword is overlapping the original one. This one starts on the 7th and finishes on the 9th. This one starts on the 8th. The important thing to remember is that the keyword start date must be unique. In the Loyalty Winners tab, you can see the winning phone numbers that have successfully texted in 5 keywords in order to redeem their reward. Loyalty triggers is an advanced feature for anyone who is a programmer. You can pass variables via a PHP script, but this won't be covered in this video. In Loyalty Logical SMS, if a person texts in a certain keyword, then you can initiate another campaign. So for example, if someone texts in the keyword offers, then it will initiate the viral demo campaign that has been previously shown in this video series. You can choose to keep them on the current list or remove them from the list when they do this. You can see from my SMS autoresponders that I gave the person the opportunity to type in the keyword offers in order to find out information about the viral demo campaign. So if they do this, then they will get added to the viral demo SMS campaign and kept on the current list. If I wanted to remove them from the current list, then I click edit here and then uncheck this box and then click the tick button here to save, and now they've been removed from this current list. I'm going to leave them subscribed to this list instead. That's the loyalty campaigns video training finished.